Hey guys, so for today's video I'm just going through this huge parcel I got from Skino2, one of my favorite brands of all time, and I'm just going through all these things they sent me, and I'm gonna create a kind of look for a lot of pinks and reds, and excuse the wet hair, I just wet it in the shower, so just it'll dry through the video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through all the products I got and show you what they perform like and how they apply. And I am an ambassador for this brand, but that is not going to affect my honesty. I guess to start with, important brushes. So this is a vegan 100% cruelty-free brush set. There is 6 brushes. What they look like. I'm excited to use the highlight one because it matches my top, so we'll definitely get a good highlight in. They actually feel very good quality. First of all, foundation, obviously. I'm going in with the Mineral BB foundation. It is to brighten and protect youth radiance. Instead of having a foundation that's clogging your pores, this is a foundation that is going to refine and brighten and use all of its key ingredients to really benefit your skin. So I really love that. I'm just going to pump it directly on the skin. I find that that works best for BB creams when you're applying it with a brush. It feels very lightweight. I feel like that did a good job with the colour. Definitely if you're looking for more coverage, do a second layer, which I am just going to do around my chin because I've been having a fair few breakouts there. I'm going to go straight into concealing, and this is with the 3D Face Stick Contour and Highlight. It just looks like this. It's double-ended, so it has a contour end, and it also has the concealer slash highlighting end. It is very creamy, so it glides on really easily. I'm also just going to blend this out with the same brush. Now that that is done, I'm going in with the Mineral Foundation in Light Sheer. I'm going to use this as a setting powder. Just looks like this, and I'm taking my little powder brush. Apparently it has vitamin C that treats your skin while you're wearing it, and shades that naturally adapt to give your skin a healthy glow. Suitable for all skin types, so that's really cool. Just going in with this mineral bronzer. It does say mineral blush on the back in the shade Glow, but it just looks like this. And then take it under the jawline, and then I run a tiny bit just on the side of my nose. I really like the finish that BB cream gave. It's got a really nice kind of dewy sheen to it, and I'm all about it. Moving on to blush. So we've got a peach and also a blossom. I think I'm just going to mix the two. This is what they look like together. Now moving on to one of my favourite things in the entire world is highlight. I am going in with the Powder Palette Contour Blush and Glow. I think I'm just going to go in with the lighter highlight shade. Don't forget the brow bone. Now moving on to the 2 box sets I have. Wow Brow set and also the Eyes on Point. I'm going to start with brows. It comes with a brow wax concealer. I'm going to go in with the powder now. I'm just going to shade in the sparse areas of my brows. Moving on to the other brow. Alright, so brows are pretty much done. So this is what the Eyes on Point box set looks like. And opening it up, it looks like there's a mascara, an eyeliner pen, a pencil liner, and a lashes treat and enhance. Individually, all of the things in this would add up to $90, but with the box set it is only $70, so you save a considerable amount of money getting the box set. Same goes with the matte liquid lipsticks and the liners, and also with the Wow Brow box set as well. I'm gonna go straight through to eyeshadow and then we'll come back to that box set. Okay, so these are the two little eyeshadow brushes, so they kind of work together. This is the Metallic and Nude shadow palette. It has some beautiful shades. You can do a huge range of looks with these colors, and you also get like your shimmers, metallics, and then heaps of mattes and even a black, which is really awesome. I'm also going to try something different today and use some of their liquid lipsticks as shadows. So these are the shades. This is number 4, 5, and 1. So I'm going to do a combination of those. Use my pinky finger just to blend it in. Now with that on there, I'm going to go into the shadow palette and take this pink and set that down. Now taking that red, I'm going to dot that slightly under that purple you just placed down. The red definitely dried quicker. Now to deepen up that crease, I'm going in with the shade Avenue, which is this. One thing I really like about the shadows is that they are super blendable. That palette is so beginner friendly, and it's got a really nice range of shades. So starting with Flamingo on the more densely packed brush. Now taking Fair and mainly concentrating that on the inner portion of the eye. To deepen up that crease a little bit more, I'm going to go in with Orchid. So looking at my eyes, they're super matte. I just didn't do a great job of blending them out, and that was probably because I used my pinky finger and did it in a really awkward way. I'm just going to take the same colours from that Eyes on Point box set. I'm going to be taking this Perfect Volume Curl Mascara. So far I'm living for this mascara. There's like no clumpiness at all. And it's like coated my lashes perfectly. I'm so used to my lashes looking like spider legs or just so clumpy I need to take it off and then just reapply it, and it's just so annoying. But this was like, this is really nice. So taking the pink shade of the liquid lipsticks, I'm going to line my lips with the red pencil, so we'll get a kind of gradient. I'm really into that kind of look at the moment. So going in with the liquid lipstick over the top of that liner now. Yeah, that is what that looks like, and now I'm just going to go back in and try and tidy up my eyes a little bit. That is it for today's video. Just a Valentine's Day inspired look with the red and pinks. Just looking back in the mirror at how it's soaked into my skin, I'm so in love with that BB foundation. So if you're looking at a good BB cream for something that's sort of everyday wear but you can build it up to be more of a foundation, then definitely look into Skino2's BB cream. I love it. Really liking how the blush, highlight and the bronzer kind of tie together into one kind of seamless blend on the cheek. And I also really did like the eyebrow powder. It's not going to be like my go-to just because I'm not a powder kind of eyebrow girl. I've never really gotten the hang of a powder, but I do still like it. So if you're a fan of powders, definitely look at the Wow Brow set. And then that matte, even though it's matte, it doesn't feel drying on my lips. Like when I smile, it is seamless. There's no lines, there's no cracking. It is so smooth. And yeah, I'm so used to using those shadows. I use them all the time. I recommend them to everyone. I love them. You can do so many looks with this, as I said before. So finally, I want to say I am really impressed with how those brushes performed. Of course, I'm going to use other brushes from other brands, but that is a great start and a great pack for people that want to build on their already brush collection or kind of have a starting point for just makeup. So yeah, I love Skino2, and I feel like everyone should have at least one Skino2 product in their kit because I guarantee it will blow you away. So thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!